Now student, AB is pedestal. On pedestal, we stand a statue. Height of statue is 1.6 meter. D is any point on ground. From point D, angle of evaluation of point C. अपने point D से point C को check किया. Angle of evaluation is 60 degree. Same from point D, angle of evaluation of point A. It means angle of evaluation of top of pedestal is 45 degree. Find height of pedestal. It means we find height of AB. Suppose student, height of pedestal is h meter and distance between pedestal and point is x meter. Distance between point pedestal and point is x meter. Student, we have a triangle ABD. We have triangle ABD. Angle 45 make. For angle 45, BD is base. Angle 45 make हो रहा है. For angle 45, BD is base. AB is perpendicular. So student, in triangle ABD, tan 45 is AB upon BD. Tan 45 degree is AB upon BD. Value of tan 45 is 1. Value of AB is h. Value of BD is x. By cross multiply. So student, x equal to h. Consider equation 1. X equal to h. Consider equation 1. Now student, triangle CBD form. Angle is 60 degree. For this angle, BC is perpendicular and BD is base. So student, in triangle CBD, tan 60 degree is BC upon BD. Tan 60 degree is BC upon BD. Value of tan 60 is square root 3. BC can write AC plus AB. स्टूडेंट, आपके पास क्या फॉर्मूला है? BC फॉर्मूला है. BC can write AC plus AB. So AC plus AB upon BD. Square root 3. Value of AC is 1.6. Value of AB is h. Value of BD is x upon 1. By cross multiply. स्टूडेंट, आपने क्या किया? क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई किया. So when we cross multiply, so square root 3 into x, square root 3x plus 1.6 plus h. Student, from equation 1, x equal to h. From equation 1, x equal to h. So from equation 1, value of x is h. So square root 3 h equal to 1.6 plus h. Here h is positive, shift h is negative. So square root 3h minus h equal to 1.6. h common out. Square root 3 minus 1 equal to 1.6. h equal to 1.6 upon square root 3 minus 1. Now rationalize this. Student, आपने क्या इसको rationalize किया? So we multiply square root 3 plus 1 upon square root 3 plus 1. We rationalize denominator. Student, आप क्या कर रहे हो? Denominator को rationalize कर रहे हो. So we multiply square root 3 plus 1 upon square root 3 plus 1. See here, 1.6 into square root 3 plus 1. Student, a minus b, a plus b, a minus b, a plus b. We know that a square minus b square. What is a square minus b square? It is a minus b into a plus b. A square minus b square is a minus b into a plus b. So student, square root 3 minus 1 into square root 3 plus 1. It is square root 3 square minus 1 square. So student, value of h is 1.6 square root 3 plus 1 upon square root 3 square, 3 minus 1. So student, h equal to 1.6 into square root 3 plus 1, 3 minus 1, 2, which is 0.8. So h equal to 0.8. वैल्यू ऑफ स्क्वायर रूट 3 इज 1.732. आपके पास स्क्वायर रूट 3 वैल्यू क्या है? 1.732 प्लस 1. एट दिस 0.8, 1.732 प्लस 1, इट इज 2.732. स्टूडेंट, आपने 1.732 एंड 1 को ऐड किया विच इज 2.732. मल्टीप्लाई दिस, multiply this. Value of this is 2.1856. approximate value of pedestal या approximate height of pedestal is 2.1856 meter. It is final answer of question 8. So student, height of pedestal is 2.1856 meter. Now student, question number 9. Question 9 is the angle of evaluation of the top of a building from the foot of tower is 30 degree. Student, we have a tower and a building. Student, suppose AB is any tower, and CD is any building. Student, AB is any tower and CD is any building. The angle of evaluation of the top of building from the foot of tower is 30 degree. Student, from foot of tower, angle of evaluation of top of building, it means point D से अपने point C को observe किया. From point B we observe point C. Student, आप point B से क्या कर रहे हो? Point C को observe कर रहे हो. So angle is 30 degree. आपके पास कितना एंगल मेक हो रहा है? 30 डिग्री. It means this angle is 30 degree. Same, from a point, and the angle of evaluation of the top of tower from the foot of building is 60 degree. Student, from foot of building, angle of evaluation of top of tower, it means student, आपने point D से point A को observe किया. From point D we observe point A. Angle of evaluation is 60 degree. So student, this angle is 60 degree. If the tower is 50 meter high, height of tower is 50-meter high. It is 50 meter. Find the height of building. Student, we find height of the CD. Student, I repeat question. Question 9. AB is any tower, CD is any building. Student, आपके पास AB क्या है? Tower है. CD is any building. From bottom of tower, the angle of elevation of top of building. Student, आपने point D से point C को observe किया. From point B, we observe point C. Angle is 30 degree. Same from bottom of building to top of tower. From bottom of building to top of tower, it means we observe point A from D. स्टूडेंट, आपने क्या किया? पॉइंट D से पॉइंट A को ऑब्जर्व किया. विच एंगल इज 60 डिग्री एंड हाइट ऑफ टावर इज 50 मीटर. स्टूडेंट, हाइट ऑफ टावर इज 50 मीटर. वी फाइंड हाइट ऑफ बिल्डिंग. स्टूडेंट, आपको क्या फाइंड करना है? हाइट ऑफ बिल्डिंग फाइंड करना है. सो स्टूडेंट, वी फाइंड वैल्यू ऑफ CD. Student, suppose height of tower is h and BD is x. Student, we suppose height of tower is h meter and BD is x meter. So student, let CD equal to h meter and BD equal to x meter. Student, we have triangle ABD. We have triangle ABD. This angle 60 degree. For angle 60 degree, BD is base, AB is perpendicular. For angle 60 degree, BD is base, AB is perpendicular. So we use tan. स्टूडेंट, आपने क्या करना है? tan का यूज करना है. सो स्टूडेंट, इन ट्रायंगल ABD, tan 60 is AB upon BD. In triangle ABD, tan 60 is AB upon BD. So student, value of tan 60 is square root 3. Value of AB is 50. Value of BD is x. So student, upon 1 by cross multiply. When we by cross multiply, so square root 3x equal to 50. So x equal to 50 upon square root 3. Rationalize denominator, so we multiply by square root 3 on both sides. So x equal to 50 root 3 upon 3 meter. It means BD is 50 root 3 upon 3 meter. Now student, triangle CDB is formed. Triangle CDB is formed. For angle 30 degree, BD is base. For angle 30 degree, BD is base and CD is perpendicular. In triangle CDB, tan 30 is CD upon BD. Value of tan 30 is 1 upon square root 3. CD, value of CD is h, value of BD is x. So by cross multiply, x equal to square root 3h. Student, we have value of x. आपके पास value of x क्या है? Student, we have value of x is 50 root 3 upon 3. So student, putting value of h, value of x. So 50 root 3 upon 3 equal square root 3h. Now root 3 multiply, shift in divide, so h equal to 50 root 3 upon 3 root 3, cancel out, h equal to 50 upon 3. So student, height of building is 50 upon 3 meter. So student, height of building is 50 upon 3 meter. Now student, question number 10. Question 10 is two poles of equal height are standing opposite each other on either side of road. Two poles of equal height are standing opposite each other on either side of the road. Student, this is road. On road, two poles of equal height. स्टूडेंट, ये आपके पास रोड गिवन है, रोड के बोथ साइड में आपके पास टू पोल्स है इक्वल हाइट. सो फर्स्ट पोल इज दिस इज फर्स्ट पोल, सेम दिस इज सेकेंड पोल, दिस इज फर्स्ट पोल एंड दिस इज सेकेंड पोल. Height of both pole is equal. AB is first pole, CD is second pole. Student, this is road. On road, on either side of road, we have two equal pole. First pole is AB, second pole is CD. Height of pole is 80 meter. Height of each pole is 80 meter. This is 80 meter and this also 80 meter. From a point between them on road, the angle of elevation of the top of poles are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. Student, E is any point between the road from the angle of elevation of first pole. From the angle of elevation of first pole is 60 degree. Student, आपने point E से point E को observe किया. We observe point E from point A, which is 60 degree angle. This angle is 60 degree. Same from point E, the angle of point C is 30 degree. We observe point C from point E. Student, आप क्या कर रहे हो? Point E से point C observe कर रहे हो. It means point E से आपने सेकेंड पोल के पॉइंट को ऑब्जर्व किया. विच एंगल इज दिस एंगल इज 30 डिग्री. सो एंगल CE is 30 degree. Find the height of poles and the distance between the. Student, we not given height of pole. Student, आपको पोल की हाइट गिवन नहीं है. We given length of road. Length of road is 80 meter. By mistake, we denote height of pole is 80 meter, but 80 is length of road. स्टूडेंट, आपके पास जो 80 मीटर है वो क्या है? लेंथ ऑफ रोड गिवन है. नॉट हाइट ऑफ पॉल. वी फाइंड हाइट ऑफ पॉल. स्टूडेंट आपको क्या करना है, हाइट ऑफ पॉल फाइंड करना है एंड find the height of pole and the distance of point from the poles. Student, we have any rod, BD is any rod, length of rod is 80 meter. On either side of rod we have two poles of equal height. AB and CD are two poles on either side of rod of equal height. On rod point E, एंगल ऑफ इवेल्युएशन ऑफ फर्स्ट पोल इज 60 डिग्री. अपने पॉइंट ई से पॉइंट ए को ऑब्जर्व किया, फर्स्ट पोल को ऑब्जर्व किया, एंगल ऑफ इवेल्युएशन इज 60 डिग्री. सेम पॉइंट ई टू एंगल ऑफ इवेल्युएशन ऑफ सेकंड पोल इज 30 डिग्री. फाइंड द हाइट ऑफ पोल. वी फाइंड हाइट ऑफ पोल एंड डिस्टेंस ऑफ पॉइंट फ्रॉम बोथ पोल. स्टूडेंट, suppose AB is h meter. Student, we suppose AB is h meter. AB and CD both are equal. So student, CD also h meter. We suppose BE is x meter. We suppose BE is x meter. Student, BD complete आपके पास 80 गिवन है. अपने बी के सपोज क्या हुआ है, एक्स मीटर सपोज क्या हुआ है, अपने बी ई एक्स मीटर सपोज क्या हुआ है, बी डी आपके पास क्या गिवन है 80. सो स्टूडेंट डी ई इज 80 माइनस एक्स मीटर. स्टूडेंट बी डी क्या आपके पास 80 मीटर गिवन है, अपने सपोज क्या हुआ है बी ई इज एक्स. सो स्टूडेंट बी डी ई इज 80 माइनस एक्स. Student, we have a triangle ABE. We have a triangle ABE. From in triangle ABE, angle 60 is for angle 60 is from. For angle 60, BE is base and AB is perpendicular. So student, in triangle ABE, tan 60 is AB upon BE. Tan 60 is AB upon BE. Tan 60 is root 3. AB, value of AB is h. BE is x. So square root 3x equal h. Consider equation 1. Now student, triangle CDE form. CDE is formed. This angle 30 degree. For angle 30 degree, DE is base, CD is perpendicular. So student, in triangle CDE, tan 30 is tan 30 is CD upon DE. Tan 30 is 1 upon square root 3. CD, value of CD is h. DE, value of DE is 80 minus x. By cross multiply, so 80 minus x equal to square root 3h. 80 minus x equal to square root 3h. The student, value of h is square root 3x. So from equation 1, 80 minus x equal to square root 3 into square root 3x. 80 minus x, student, square root 3 into square root 3, which is 3. So 80 equal to, shift here, 4x, x equal to 20. So value of x is student, 80 minus x equal to 3x, 80 equal to 4x, x equal to 20. So student, value of x is 20. Now putting value of x in equation 1, putting value of x in equation 1, we find height of pole. So student, putting value of x in equation 1, so h equal to 20 square root 3. This imply height of pole is 20 root 3 meter, and point E and distance between point and first pole is 20 meter. Distance between point and first pole. What is distance between point and first pole? स्टूडेंट आपके पास पॉइंट एंड फर्स्ट पोल के बिटवीन डिस्टेंस क्या है? एक्स. वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स इज 20. सो डिस्टेंस बिटवीन पॉइंट एंड फर्स्ट पोल इज 20 एंड डिस्टेंस बिटवीन पॉइंट एंड सेकेंड पोल, स्टूडेंट CD is second pole. स्टूडेंट टोटल लेंथ ऑफ रोड इज 80 मीटर गिवन है. BE is 20, so DE is 60. So distance between point and second pole is 60 meter. So student, height of pole is 20 root 3 meter and distance of point from first pole is 20 meter. Distance of point from second pole is 60 meter. Student, question 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 today complete. Student, today question 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 complete.